So today I'm making a delicious yogurt parfait. This is fantastic for breakfast. You can do this as a healthy snack as well. And we're starting with some yogurt. So I prefer organic yogurt, but you could also use a vegetarian source yogurt made with coconut milk. That would be great as well. And what we're doing is we're adding in 1 or 2 capsules of the Fruits Multi to really load up on our freeze-dried superfood antioxidants. A great idea and a way for the kids to actually sneak in those extra antioxidants as well as some probiotics. And we know that probiotics are fantastic for the gut, really important for our immune system. And I'm mixing that right into the yogurt, so it's relatively undetectable. Nobody's gonna know that it's in there and that you've added in those extra nutrients and those probiotics right into the yogurt. There's no taste change here, so a great way to sort of boost up that antioxidant status for the kids and really for the big kids as well. So starting the layering process now, I have some healthy granola here. So you can make the granola on your own. You can use some oats that you've prepared in the oven, and I'm using that as my base. And then some fresh fruits. So any fruits that you like. I like the berries because they're lower on the glycemic index, which is fantastic. So it's not gonna spike your blood glucose levels. And we're just layering this in. And then our layer of yogurt. And another layer of our granola. And some more fruit. And some more yogurt. And our last layer, topping it off. So this is all ready to enjoy. So a great source of probiotics for the gut, which is important for, again, digestion and our immunity, as well as we've added in our extra antioxidants with the Fruits Multi. So a great snack, a great breakfast, a great way to start the day and get your energy going for the rest of the day.